Is Doge Coin about to make a move soon? Now, this coin has been going down with the markets for the past couple of weeks. Could there be a move soon coming for Doge? We're also going to be talking about this overlooked strategy that a lot of new traders are missing. Now, we're going to dive right into this video right now. It's going to be about Dogecoin. It's going to be good. And what is this most overlooked strategy that will tie in with Dogecoin? Okay. So, what I think a lot of beginners are missing and overlooking are the simple idea of trading and how to make money in trading, which is basically buying low and selling high. But I've been a beginner. I've been there where I have chased green candles pumping on the day of, usually in double, triple digits percentage pumps, and I'm still chasing after that pump. That is a very common mistake that a lot of beginners will make, right? It's human nature, okay? To see, when something is pumping, I would just chase after it. But after chasing after quite a bit of these candles, I much rather go with a lower risk strategy that is a lot more laid back. What I'm gonna be talking about to you is a spotting a breakout before they actually happen. Okay, or actually personally buying retests. Okay, what is a retest? That's basically when a coin or market has actually made a move and it comes back to support with a higher low before taking off again. Okay, so this is going to be a very common pattern that I am personally interested in because, of course, what I'm saying here is just purely my own opinions and speculations, none of which of what I'm saying in this video is financial advice, of course. Do your own due diligence. But let's take Dogecoin here, for example. This is a request made by one of my viewers. And what I am seeing here for Dogecoin is there has been quite a bit of a downtrend, of course, like with the rest of the crypto markets since December 2024, right? We've been in this downtrend for quite some time. It's been painful, I know. Weekly time frame for Dogecoin, this is what I'm seeing, okay? Falling wedge pattern, very common pattern you guys will see. I would highly suggest you guys train your eyes to see this pattern because it's usually indicative of, after a very extensive downtrend, that this price action would usually reverse, okay? So, falling wedge pattern, weekly time frame, usually breaks to the upside. Price target is going to be about 40 cents for Doge, which is still pretty big because Doge it's a huge market cap coin, okay? If you want something that's a lot more volatile, which I personally like trading because there's a lot of upside, of course, the downside is also huge as well, but um I've gotten used to tolerating that risk after trading this market for over 5+ years. Price target here is going to be about 40 cents. Now, price targets are, estimates only. It could be more, it could be less. Now, let's come over here to the daily time frame and zoom in and see what Dogecoin could be doing here. Daily time frame, zooming in, price target is going to be about 20, just right underneath 23 cents here for this smaller falling wedge. Like I said, get to know falling wedges. I think that is the most common and simple pattern to chart, to begin charting. So if you're a beginner, learn how to spot falling wedges. It broke out of this falling wedge, basically went to about 20, almost 21 cents before coming right back down here. This is what I would consider a retest because it broke out, it came back down, and it has a higher low, right? At least above this pattern here, okay? And I personally would consider a position like this or a chart pattern like this, just depending on how my portfolio is doing, right? But that is basically what I'm seeing for Dogecoin. Um, Very quick and simple. Now, if you guys want to see any other coins in this market, how I look at it with technical analysis and charts, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.